All right, so here we go. So this is the video that you guys been waiting for. So this is going to be the update video from when I applied the Stay Green natural fertilizer, the granular formula, to my yard, and then the Stay Green liquid lawn food fertilizer to my yard for the green up, because it said it had a 2-day rapid green up. So that's what I was curious about. That's the main goal of the video, just to see if that 2-day rapid green up actually worked. Now I'm going to leave that up to you guys. I know my yard was green before I applied the product, so I got a before, a 2-day, and then I got a 7-day update. So I'm gonna take you guys over that. We're gonna go over that right now. Okay, so taking a look at the yard, this is the yard in its natural state. This is before applying any fertilizers, any supplements. This is me strictly just mowing the yard 2 to 3 times a week and watering deeply. And as you guys can see, the yard is naturally green on its own. So the credit goes to the grass variety and the grass seed that I'm using. Okay, so now switching over, this is the 2-day. This is where I'm supposed to actually start seeing results, because I use the Stay Green fertilizer products. Mainly, I'm supposed to see results from the Stay Green liquid lawn food fertilizer. It promised a 2-day rapid green up. And as you guys can see, I don't really see a big difference. Maybe you guys can. Maybe because I see the yard every day, but I don't really see a big difference in the green up. But I do see that I have some top growth, some big time top growth. So I know the products are actually working, but as far as the green up, I can't really see it. So I'm not sure about that. Now, kicking up to the 7-day green up and the 7-day use of this product. As you guys can see, I mowed the yard back down to its proper height, about 3 1/4. And as you guys can see here, I think I see a nice little green pop, not too much. As you guys can see, the yard looks real nice and looks lush, but it's not as dark as I normally get it when I use my other iron supplements like Ironite. I did a before and after video on that one. But as you guys can see, the product seemed like it probably popped in a little bit from the before, the 2-day, and now the 7-day update. So I kind of see a slight difference, but like I said, it's not as dark. But like I said, it did work because I got some top growth. Now, as far as the granular product, I don't expect that one to actually have kicking in yet. I'm crediting all of this probably to the liquid. The liquid probably worked a lot faster. Granular products normally start to break down within that 5 to 7 day. And then maybe 10 to 14 days, you start to really see the real results. Like I said, this one had humic acid and sea kelp in it. So that's why I actually use these products. But I was curious about the 2-day green up that the lawn food, the liquid fertilizer Stay Green product had said it can do. But like I said, I didn't really see a big difference in the 2-day, and maybe a possibility in the 7-day here. I see a nice little pop. But like I said, it's not as dark as my lawn normally gets, but I could see a little slight difference. But what do you guys think? Do you guys see a big difference between the natural state, the 2-day, and the 7-day? Or do it just look all the same? But I know the product did start to work because I did get some growth very quickly. 2 days after I applied the product, I did need another mow. And as you guys can see, I mowed it back down, and now the yard is back at its proper height. But let me know in the comment section, do you see a big difference with the products? Have you guys ever used this product? Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave some comments in the comment section to let me know what you think of the products. And have you guys ever dealt with these products and seen any results? So stay tuned, take care, and we'll be right back with another video once again.